Why public speaking skills are important. Hello, and welcome to today's video on why public speaking skills are important. Here is exactly what you can expect from today's video. I will be explaining to you why public speaking skills is a skill that you should invest in as early as you possibly can in your life. We will also talk about what kind of success you'll find being a good public speaker. And lastly, I will go over different ways on how you can get started on your public speaking journey as soon as possible. But first, if you are a professional who wants to improve your public speaking skills, your presentation skills, or just be able to sound more confident when you speak, then do subscribe to my channel because I post videos and resources to help you become a more confident, enigmatic speaker. Also, if we have not met yet, hi, my name is Malik, and I am a public speaking coach. I run an online program called the Speak with Confidence Academy that helps professionals go from being shy, nervous, afraid of public speaking to becoming enigmatic, confident speakers who really leave an impact on their audience. Who doesn't want that, right? So let's get started with today's video. So public speaking has been around since we have been able to communicate, but it's definitely evolved tremendously, especially in the past few decades. So public speaking is no longer just standing up in front of an audience and talking. It's a lot more in today's digital world. So for example, when you're giving a presentation, that is considered public speaking. When you're interviewing, that is a form of public speaking as well. Even when you post on social media, that is now a form of public speaking. When you're training someone, that's a form of public speaking. You can be speaking to 2 people or 2,000 people at once, and it's still considered public speaking. So as you can see, public speaking is a part of your life whether you like it or not. There's literally no escaping it. That is why, if there's one skill that you should brush up on in your life, it's public speaking. Honestly, I'm kind of shocked that it's not taught in schools, especially since it's such an important skill to have. So let's move on to what kind of success you can actually find in your life if you improve on your public speaking skills. I'm going to actually give you my own example. So I got an interview at Stanford University, even though I was barely qualified for the role. I still did my best and left it at that. Eventually I got the job, and during the orientation, I was told that more than 100,000 applicants typically apply for a job at Stanford. So I was surprised as to why I was selected out of that many people, and especially since there was nothing really extraordinary about me or my application. So a few months into the job, I asked my manager, hey, so what made me really stand out from the rest of the applicants for the job? She looked at me and said, Maria, you spoke so eloquently and were able to communicate everything so effectively. In other words, my public speaking skills were excellent in her eyes. That is what made me stand out from the rest of the candidates and ultimately landed me my job at Stanford. Being able to speak well opens up so many doors for you. You're able to speak your mind, you're able to convey your thoughts, you can motivate people, you can move people, and you can leave a huge impact on your audience if you're really good at it. Your voice is the most powerful tool that you have, which is why using it to the best of your ability will do nothing but lead you to success. And this applies to any field that you're in. You're more likely to get that job that you want, you're more likely to get that promotion, you're more likely to grow a following on social media, you're more likely to find success if you are polished at public speaking. Success for you will be inevitable in this case. So before moving on to the third point here, I would love to give you guys some free resources before we continue. If you need help on your next presentation or speech, I have just the thing for you. Do grab yourself a copy of my free public speaking workbook. Some things that you can find in the workbook are tips and tricks that you can start using, a timeline to follow, a goal setting sheet, a story bank sheet, a cheat sheet, and so much more. I will leave a link below for you to download yours today. And also, once you do download it, there is an extensive free training on 3 secrets to crush your next virtual presentations, which I think you will find very valuable. So let's talk about how you can actually get started in improving your public speaking skills, especially if you're on a budget. So if I was someone just starting off, the first place that I would go to is udemy.com. So Udemy has so many courses you can learn from, and you can learn about just about anything. Just go on the search bar and type in public speaking, and you'll literally see hundreds of thousands of courses, and some of them as low as $20. The second place that you'd want to go is Skillshare.com, Once you're on the website, locate the Browse menu and then click on All Classes. You can then type on public speaking in the search bar and you will see countless courses on this subject. For example, give a 5-minute talk without dying. That's actually pretty funny. Public speaking without dying. Oh, lots of without dying. Public speaking, how to open and close presentations. And of course, as you can see, there are so many more that you can look through. So just browse through them and find a course that you feel like will really help you. The best part is that most of these classes are very inexpensive and there's a ton of great courses on there. All right, so the third place that you'd want to go to is YouTube. If there is a specific problem that you're facing, such as anxiety or nervousness, just type in how to overcome anxiety when public speaking or how to overcome nervousness when public speaking. There are so many great YouTube videos on here that you will want to check out. Something I personally love to do as well is follow the channel TED Talks or TEDx and watch their talks regularly. They have so many amazing speakers from all over the world give incredible talks. And what I actually love to do is watch them regularly and critique them. This kind of helps you understand and see what is working well for the speaker, what is not working well, and it also gives you an idea on what you can incorporate into your talks and your speeches. Naturally, you start to pick up the good things and you start to use them. So do subscribe to TED Talk and watch as many of the videos as you can because you will always get something or another out of each video. Lastly, if you are ready to invest in something more detailed, you can start looking into programs. So for example, I have a public speaking program called the Speak with Confidence Academy, and the program includes a course, it includes coaching sessions, practice sessions where you can actually implement everything that you're learning, and the whole point of the program is to give you a huge transformation as a public speaker. So there are a lot of great programs out there, various different prices, so do check out programs as well once you're ready to really take your skills to the next level. The key to looking for a program is really finding something that caters to your specific needs and finding one that really fits who you are and where you're trying to be in the next few years. If you've made it this far in the video, then I know you are serious about becoming a great public speaker. And since you are, I would love to get on a phone call with you and actually talk to you about some of the challenges that you may be facing and see if I can potentially help you overcome them. I am posting a link to my calendar down below, so go ahead and book a call with me today to see if the Speak with Confidence Academy is a good fit for you. So that is all for today, and if you found this video helpful, then do check out these videos right here, how to eliminate filler words from your vocabulary, and my public speaking playlist, which has tons of videos that are designed to help you become a better public speaker. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!